Abaorokigwa Korobekana Euniversity ya Nairobi rituko ria rero niko banyaraka bagokora Korobekana sekeli bakwemurunganiria amazingira ya university iyo niko bono Abaorokigwa bo baganirie umurai bwense anyaraka bagwesona nigati elio konyaraka bagagutugutera obuteneri ase university iyo elio banyaraka bakonyora amazingira ayarama ya roboti ro tigatoronyore ase njira ere yo bwagare.
We are here as University of Nairobi students and student leaders and by extension, Gen Zs, to ask for the drop of accommodation fee in the university from the overwhelming 42,000. Comrades, power! We are here to reject the state of our hostels. Comrades, power! We are here to reject the fee that is being paid that is very expensive. Comrades, power!
We have fought for this nation and we saw in our effort the cabinet was disbanded. We are still fighting on towards the President William Samoei Ruto. Please come to this institution. You are in this university. We want you to disband this institution so that the people who are incompetent to pack and go home.
I want to categorically say this. If we are going to pay 42,000 or 38,000 for our accommodation fee, we want to call upon the VC to address this, or business is not going to be usual in that agency.